Hello and welcome, readers. You are about to read Rocket to the Moon, a fun phonics-based story written by Cath Jones. This book is part of the Reading Stars Phonics series and is specially designed for beginner readers at Phonics Phase 3. Meet King Kevin and his pet rabbit, Kim. Kevin takes Kim to the zoo, where Kim unexpectedly wins a ticket to the moon. But King Kevin becomes jealous and hides the ticket. What happens next? Kim hops into the rocket, sits on a button, and accidentally launches them both into space. Will they enjoy a picnic on the moon? Will the rocket break down? Can clever Kim fix it and get them home? Let's explore it together. King Kevin had a pet rabbit, Kim. Kevin took Kim to the zoo. Win a ticket to the moon. At the zoo, Kim got a ticket to the moon. That got King Kevin in a bad mood. He took Kim's rocket ticket. He hid it in his pocket. The rocket sat on the top of a hill. The king took lots of good food onto the rocket. Can I go to the moon too? No, the rocket is not big. But, hop, hop, hop. Kim got into the rocket. Get off the rocket. Kim sat on Kevin. Then, oops, Kim sat on a button. A big bell rang. Ding, ding, ding. Zoom. The king hung on to Kim. Kevin and Kim had a picnic on the moon. Kevin and Kim had napkins and a big rug. Kim sang a song. But, buzz, fizz, bang. The rocket will not go. Will Kevin and Kim get back? Tap, tap, tap. Can Kim fix the rocket? Off we go. Yes, buzz, fizz, zoom. Look, Kevin and Kim will get back. This book introduces the double O sounds like in, moon, and good. Encourage the readers to spot these words: moon, food, good, zoo, mood, rocket, ticket.